Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. ANTRE pasta maker attachment for KitchenAid stand mixers with pasta drying rack and cleaning brush. 3-to-1 set includes pasta sheet roller, spaghetti cutter, fettuccine cutter. Highly recommend. We provide the high-quality pasta maker attachments for KitchenAid stand mixers, compatible with all KitchenAid stand mixer perfectly. If you are a pasta lover, specialize in cooking your favorite pasta, we will highly recommend you this brand new pasta maker attachment for your KitchenAid stand mixers. New experience. This pasta maker attachment provides a brand new pasta making experience. We have created a new 3-in-1 pasta maker attachment that allows you to make 3 different kinds of pasta at the same time, which can save you a lot of time. Pasta roller rolls 5.5-inch sheets of pasta with 8 different thickness options. More advantages. This is a multifunctional 3-in-1 pasta attachment set, including pasta sheet roller, spaghetti cutter, fettuccine cutter maker accessories. The protective case is a built-in POM. The overall structure is beautiful, sturdy, small. It is only 1.6 kilograms. It is convenient for storage. Thanks for watching and subscribe.